Judges have ruled in two Iowa court cases filed after teachers commented on the death of conservative activist Charlie Kirk in September. Local 5's JD Snover dug into the decisions and joins us in studio with more on the explanations behind them.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Stephanie. These rulings don't end either case, but they do set the stage for what happens next. The key difference here is the type of judge involved and exactly what each ruling does. One decision came from an administrative law judge, which is essentially a third party under the executive branch that settles disputes over things like unemployment payments. The other is a step forward in a federal lawsuit. Former Oskaloosa teacher Matt Cargill and Creston teacher Melissa Crook both faced intense public backlash after posting about Kirk's killing in September. Cargill wrote this Facebook post. A post-court documents say he deleted within an hour. But according to testimony, the district received more than 1,500 phone calls and 280 voicemails that same evening and into the next day. That led to an unemployment hearing before administrative law judge David Steen, who ruled Cargill's firing stemmed from job-related misconduct. Steen writes in the decision, quote, "The claimant's social media activity caused substantial disruption to the learning environment, causing staff at all levels to redirect focus and resources for days." The decision also notes Cargill had been previously informed of district policy requiring employees to, quote, "model appropriate character on and off the job, including on personal social media pages." Meanwhile, in Creston, federal judge Rebecca Goodgame Ebinger ruled the district cannot fire English teacher Melissa Crook, or at least for now. Crook had commented that Kirk, quote, "not being here is a blessing," later apologizing and clarifying she did not wish him harm. Ebinger granted a preliminary injunction, saying Crook is likely to succeed on her First Amendment claim and that the district acted without adequate evidence of disruption. The judge wrote that Crook has shown, quote, "defendants took adverse action against her, motivated in part by the exercise of her First Amendment rights." However, the court denied Crook's request to be reinstated into her classroom, meaning she remains on paid administrative leave as the case moves forward. Now, both cases will continue in the courts, though there is not a trial date yet for Cargill, and results could set new precedent for how Iowa schools handle teacher speech online, Stephanie.